Welcome to your parent and student exam guide. Let's work through this question together, step by step. Today we're looking at symbol logic, two attribute ciphers. This worked example is from gotestprep.com.au, Australia's leading online preparation platform for NSW Selective and Opportunity class exams.
Okay, so here's what we're looking at. There are 6 specialised robots in a factory, 3 tall and 3 short. For each size, there is 1 robot with a laser, 1 with a shield, and 1 with a claw. Each robot is stored in a crate with 2 symbols. One symbol represents the size, the other represents the equipment, but they can appear in any order. Here are the clues. Clue 1, the tall robot with a laser has the symbols hash and @ Clue 2, the short robot with a shield has the symbols % and ampersand. Clue 3, a third crate has the symbols hash and %. Option A is the tall robot with a shield. Option B is the tall robot with a laser. Option C is the short robot with a shield. And finally, option D is the short robot with a claw. Those are all 4 choices. All right, let's work through this step by step. Our strategy is the split method.
Quick plan first, then we'll work through it together. Okay, so let's think about what we know before doing anything. For symbol code questions like this, the split method is the key move. Every symbol came from a known crate, so we know which group it belongs to. Then we look at the mystery crate, which takes 1 symbol from each group. A crate must have 1 size symbol and 1 equipment symbol, so we test which assignment works. All right, let's work through it. Step 1, the split method. Okay, so let's split the symbols. The first crate belongs to the tall robot with a laser. It uses hash and @ so hash is either tall or laser, and @ is the other one. The second crate belongs to the short robot with a shield. It uses % and ampersand, so % is either short or shield, and ampersand is the other. We do not know which is size and which is equipment yet, but we know the groups. Hash and @ are from group 1, % and ampersand are from group 2. Right, step 2, analyse the third crate. Okay, so look at the third crate. It has hash and %. Hash comes from group 1, so it is either tall or laser. % comes from group 2, so it is either short or shield. Every crate must have exactly 1 size symbol and 1 equipment symbol. Test the first path. If hash means tall, then % must be the equipment symbol, which means % equals shield. Result, tall plus shield. That is option A. Test the second path. If hash means laser, then % must be the size, meaning % equals short. Result, short plus laser, but that is not one of our options. So only tall plus shield works. Option A is confirmed. Right, step 3, eliminate B, C, D. Okay, so let's rule out the other options. Option B is the tall robot with a laser, but we already know its crate has hash and @ The third crate has hash and %. That is a different pair. Option B is already spoken for. Option C is the short robot with a shield, and its crate has % and ampersand. Again, not hash and %. Option C is out. Option D is the short robot with a claw. A claw robot would need a new symbol, but hash and % are already tied to the 2 known groups. There is no claw symbol available here. Option D is out. Option A, the tall robot with a shield, is the answer. Okay, so the correct answer is option A, the tall robot with a shield. Nice work following along. If you found that helpful, visit gotestprep.com.au. We have comprehensive, lesson-by-lesson courses for NSW Selective and Opportunity class tests, with detailed explanations so you can immediately target your weak areas, along with full timed practice tests that simulate the actual exam. You can get started for free. That's gotestprep.com.au, link in the description.